Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Crafticality, and today I have another journal to show you. This is the Ugly Duckling Little Golden Book Journal that I have been working on. If you had seen my sneak peek over on Instagram, I had showed you the book and some of the items that I used within the book. If you want to follow me over there, I'm always posting sneak peeks and just projects I'm doing or completed or whatever. So let's go ahead and dive into this book. As I said, it's the Ugly Duckling Little Golden Book, and my friend Crystal, who is happy to plan here on YouTube, she gave me this book, and so I was excited to put it together. It's been a while, but I covered the back with some scrapbook paper. On the spine, I used some vintage fabric that I had that was actually something that my mom had made. She had made like a handkerchief headband thing back in the 70s. I have a picture with her on it, but I love to use things like that in my projects. So I used that. I made a tassel, and it has some duck ribbon and other kinds of ribbon, some lace, and some of the fabric. And then I added some of this polka dot ribbon on the back where I added the spine there, and then I tied it up with that same polka dot ribbon. So let's go ahead and open it up. The tie can come completely off, so you don't have to have that on there. We'll open it up here. I have some vintage wrapping paper that I covered on the inside of both the back and the front cover, and I sewed in a little pocket with scrapbook paper, and then added, this is an altered project life card. These images here are from a duck book that I cut out. And then here's a tag that I made with scrapbook paper, and I just added an image that I fussy cut out from a book page. And some duck scrapbook paper. I added some lace. And then on this other side, I made a belly band with that fabric. Just did a ruffle with the zigzag in the middle there. And then here is just a journaling card that I made with a vintage book page. I included the entire book from the original Little Golden Book, all the pages, in the correct order. So this is an adorable book if you've never read it. I love this version. They also have a Disney version, but this one I think I prefer this because the illustrations are just so cute. Here is a paper clip with another Project Life card. And then here is a vintage photo card. It says it's Wild Birds in Britain, and then it has two ducks on the front there. I have tea-dyed paper, ledger paper through here. This is a card that goes along with that vintage wrapping paper. I just included that. It's not used, and it has the envelope that comes with it. It just has a cute little duck on it. More of that wrapping paper, and I sewed a pocket. I had some farm fabric that I had used on another journal that was a farm journal, and there were some parts of that fabric that had ducks, so I saved those for this book. And then I made a pocket. Here's another altered Project Life card. I just added that duck image. There's another book page from a different book. I made some doily pockets with some of the book pages with a doily punch that my friend Crystal had, so I borrowed that. There's a receipt. Here is a lunch sack with a gold yellow chevron pattern, and I attached a Monopoly piece there, a vintage Monopoly piece. There's a doily. There's another book page from another duck book. I love this book. It looks like it's all like pencil illustration, and it's just cute. This is an avocado stained grid paper. Another pocket page. That is another book page from another duck book. Here is a bingo card. Try to include a bunch of different yellow items that I found in my stash of ephemera. This is just an envelope that I attached on the side of the page, and I added this pocket there, and you can also fold it out and stick items in there. Here's a doily, got a little crumpled. That'll come out. Just put that down in there. There we go. The other side of the envelope, or the lunch sack, and then here's a vintage flashcard. This is funny. It's called Tiny Tot flashcard game or something, and it has lots of different cards of animals, and you're supposed to look at the picture and tell like what's wrong with it. So this is kind of funny. It's got ears, looks like it has turkey feathers, duck feet. Yeah, I just thought that was funny. Here's a little side tuck spot there. Here is a Pictionary card that has a duck on it and a little altered paper clip. Here are two side pockets, and I'm going to stick some tags in there. I just didn't find the right tags right now, but they're just little side tucks. And two belly bands. Here's the second signature. This does have a 2-inch spine and 2 signatures. And the width is approximately 6, the pages are like 6 inches wide by 7 3/4 tall. Here is a CD envelope. I had these left over from when I used to burn CDs and DVDs, so I just thought they were fun to add into junk journals. You can add pictures in there, or whatever you want to stick in there. Here's another doily from a duck book. This is just a little flip up page made out of a book page, and a piece of that wrapping paper. This is from a book called 5 Little Ducks, and it's a really cute little song, kind of like the monkeys jumping on the bed song, but in the duck theme. And it opens up on that side. Here's another fabric duck pocket. A little corner tuck spot. Added some trim there. And then here is a pocket that I made from a book page. Just stuck a doily in that one. There's a cute little page. It's another duck page stuck in a little pocket. Little die cut. Tuck spot there. I really wanted to include a lot of these pages in there, but I didn't want to cut them off, so there are lots of pages that are folded in like that so you can see the whole page. Here's a belly band, and then I sewed this fabric piece on there. And that is the back end of that signature. I stuck another page in there, and then it has a little pocket there with another image from that book and a yellow note card. And there's the back. So I hope you like this little golden book ugly duckling junk journal. Go ahead and check it out in my Etsy shop. I will have the listing and the link down below, and check out all my other items in my shop as well. Go ahead and favorite my shop over there, so every time I put new things in my shop you will be notified. And follow me over on Instagram so you can find out when I have tutorials or just when I have new things up on my YouTube channel or in my Etsy shop. So I hope you're having a happy new year, and we'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.